Welcome back to RealVacantLand.com. My name is Luke Smith, and I'm passionate about real estate and doing vacant land deals and all kinds of real estate deals. So today I talked to an old partner of mine who funded some deals in the past, and friend, a colleague, whatever you want to call him, partner, right? So he has a portfolio of properties he hasn't been working on that he would like to sell, and it's a little over 50 properties, and they're in Texas and Florida and Tennessee and places where it's fun to sell properties, right? And he's willing to give me prices on there that are really good wholesale prices. We can buy them from this guy. We can buy his portfolio properties and go sell them on the market. We can sell them one by one. I would love to make YouTube videos and TikTok videos about each one of these properties and show them off, show off the attributes of these properties and sell them to the end user, property by property. I think they'll make out getting lower prices than the market, and this guy will make out selling the whole portfolio in one shot, and everybody wins. So I need some help. That's the name of this video, Land Deal Help. I need help with the funding of this portfolio of properties. It's a little over. It's about $300,000 in funding for this portfolio, and I would like to raise this in the fund. So I spent a bunch of time and energy setting up a SEC registered fund. This is a Reg D C style fund that I can promote publicly on YouTube and TikTok and in front of crowds and audiences, over the phone, every way possible. And what allows me to do that is it takes only accredited people. And so I like to talk about money and deals, and, and staying in the dark is just not my kind of regulation. So this one's open to everybody that's accredited. If you're not accredited and you'd still like to get involved in this deal, I can do property by property kinds of deals and not in a portfolio style. I would like to pay property by property, the kinds of rates that are usually paying like 30% of the profits if we're going fast, 50% of the profits if it takes a little bit longer. If we're doing it in the fund, I would like to pay more than that because I want to brag about the returns that we can get out of this fund and doing these kinds of deals. I would like to send money out on a quarterly basis of the profits along the way. I would like to use that money to buy these properties and go sell these properties and then go do other deals. There's always deals being presented to me. I would like to cherry pick those deals. I'm always searching for deals, finding deals, looking for deals. I would like to take the best of those deals and do them in the fund. I would like to do them again and again and again. I would like to turn that money over into the next deal and the next deal and the next deal. My dream, my hope, my passion is that this fund builds up enough that I can use this fund to buy I don't know if buy is the right word, bid for QSRs, quick service restaurants. I've been doing a lot of work with quick service restaurants. It's a lot like high traffic retail properties that we work on. It's using data to the max, to the most efficient use possible in today's market. I'm a data guy. I love studying data. I love figuring out real estate things with data. And using that data, I think I get a competitive advantage because it takes so much more data to understand restaurants and who goes here, who goes in that restaurant, who should use that space, comparing it to the sales and traffic of what's going on in the other restaurants in the area. That data says who goes here. I can use that to go find other people that go there, market to them, who's missing, and tell them they should use that space. I can usually lock those properties up with minimal dollars and go promote those properties. And if I find a tenant, if I find somebody that's right for that property, that's willing to go for it, then buy that property in and deliver it to investors on the other side that like them full of whatever brand name that is. We can use that money to do that for a very short amount of time it takes to close one of those trades. We can use that money like checking a book out of the library, just go put it right back. We can use it again and again and again for the next deal and the next deal and the next deal. I think I can stack those deals up over time if I had that there. The way I do it now is I use partners' money, and it's like kind of herding cats, get them all together there at the same time. And it works and it's great. And I love you guys that are helping me with that. But I think if we do it in a fund that's consolidated in this fashion, it'll be a lot easier to pull off. It'll be much more of a trust feature to be able to do these deals in a bigger way. And so I think starting out this fund with a simple little basic land trade, like we're talking about, buying wholesale and selling retail, buy by the case, sell by the bottle, we can build funds up and get a cushion of air in there as the profits get going to take on other trades as we see fit. So if you're interested in this, I'm so excited. I hope you are. You want to go on the journey with me. I made this website. It's on ruralvacantland.com. There's a service tab and there's a link in the description of this video. It'll take you back here and you can go and you can watch some other videos I made and see, my story is written down. I tried to write it and different people have said there's spelling and grammatical errors. I'm horrible at that stuff. That's why I make videos, right? But so eventually at the bottom of that, you get down to Land with Luke. This is the name of the fund. It's Land with Luke, and it's all registered up and ready to go. And so if you fill out the information, your email address, your name, your address, because there's different regulations for whatever state you're coming from to do this. I got to keep track of which state you're in. That's why I'm asking for your address. If you just put the state in there, that's good enough. The phone number, so I can get in touch with you. I want to talk to you about this. This is a big deal investment. I want to make sure that we're on the same page and we're a good match for each other and we work together. We can work together and this will be a good idea and everything. And then comments. And so if you sign up for this, I'm going to try to get in touch with you as soon as I can, as soon as I see it. Always feel free to call me too. My cell phone number is 760-274-7711. I'll put that in the comments below as well. And we can go tackle 50 plus properties, right? So this portfolio is about $300,000 roughly, give or take a little. And we can buy parts of it. We can buy half of it. We can buy the whole thing. We can do more than that. If more money comes in than that, that's great too. There's other deals we can take on with that. And I'll keep reinvesting into the next deal and the next deal as we go and sending out quarterly profits. And I can't wait to show you what kind of profits we can get out of these deals and the next deal and the next deal and the next deal. So you have something to tell, share and tell, and attract more money to this fund. This is, the returns are brag returns. They're meant to be, and it's set up that way. I want it to be that way because I want to talk about it and use those numbers and show others the kinds of returns we can kick out of this that you're getting as being one of the first people into the fund to go do it again and again out into the future. So this is my passion. This is my, I'll say life's work, but culminating into this project. So this fund, I've spent an immense amount of time researching iterations of versions of this, coming up to it, learning what's good, what's bad, why it should be better, how it could be better. If you're interested in setting up a fund for yourself, feel free to reach out to me too. I'd love to help you out there as well. But this fund, I believe, can be an awesome tool to tackle a lot more real estate deals, starting with this portfolio of 50 plus properties in Texas and Florida and Tennessee, and one in Arkansas. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Please go into the comments to get my phone number and a link to the form to fill out your information. And let me know. Let me know if you're accredited and you want to go for the fund style or if you want to go deal by deal style. And or just questions. Let me know. Thank you. See you in the next one.